This conference will now be recorded.
Right. So yesterday we learned 3 points we learned here. One is known as uploading PBI report. Second is sharing the dashboard. Third is scheduling the data refresh. We learned what you mean by personal gateway, how to use that one. We learned about it. Is it scheduling data refresh is required for live connection? We have now we are importing. There are two things, right? Live connection and import are available. Scheduling data refresh is required for live connection?
No.
No. Only we needed scheduling if you are importing the data physically into the mission. If you go for live connection, if you go, there is no need of direct query. If you go, that means there is no need of scheduling, because the moment you are running, the data is coming, it is hitting the database. Fine. Let us go and try to understand the live connection means, how it works and how to publish over there. For example, I am developing from beginning SQL Server. I am selecting. Then I am going to the server as localhost. Then I am trying to take here RR ITEC DB. Then I am going for direct query. Click on OK. Now we are trying to select here one of the table, for example, EMP table, then say as load. Only one table I selected time being. Now we'll see EMP table here. And I also want here the EMP table, the data I want it. So I want here, for example, DPIT number, EMP number, e-name, job, salary, I want it. So I taken these all things I taken. Now this one I want to see in the form of table format. I want to see it. So this is e-name kind of thing. Okay, let me organize this one better. EMP number I am keeping in the first, then e-name, then job, then DPIT number I am keeping next, then below this one I am keeping something like this. So this report, whatever available, I am trying to save here. Let me save it. And I hope I selected live query only I selected, right? Direct query only I selected, right?
Direct query.
Sorry?
Direct query you selected.
I selected direct query. So that is the reason you also notice here one more point. There is no data option. We see graph, we see report, model, but data option is not there. Even you can go at any point of time, go back to the edit queries here. So the moment you go to the edit queries, then you'll see one window in the EMP. There you can see the option source, the source, SQL database. It's directly connecting the local host, ITEC DB. It's connecting. Okay. Here it is also giving the step results in a query that is not supported in direct query mode. Okay, I switched all tables to import mode. So it's asking to go for the import mode option also it is giving. Okay, anyhow. Now I want to go for here. This whatever available, I am trying to save it. Let me select here save. Then we are trying to save onto the desktop SQL Server direct query option we selected, and we are trying to save it. Then if you go try to say publish this one, we are trying to publish it. So my workspace we selected, click on the select, then it's trying to publish it. Then I'm trying to open this report, whatever available. So it is asking to sign in. I'm trying to sign in. Okay. Now, if you go and try to observe, the report will be appearing here shortly. There is no gateway to access the data source or DB. Verify the gateway connection configuration on the data set settings page and make sure all required resources are added. Selected gateway. Okay. So there is a SQL Server direct query. This data source is not added, saying because it's a direct query, right? As a direct query, the moment I open the report, it has to communicate with the database. Okay, so as it is not able to do that, it's saying as a problem. To use a data gateway, make sure that computer is online and the data source added to the managed gateways. If you're using on-premise data gateway channel mode, please select the corresponding data source and then click apply. Why it is showing this on? We do not have data gateways. Shit. Did you switch it off anything? It is running on your machine, right? Mm, SQL Server is available on my machine, so I'm trying to refresh this. It is not enabling. We did
సార్ గేట్వే ఆఫ్ ఉంది కదా
that is not toggling.
ఓకే ఓకే
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So the personal gateway, we are using multiple IDs. That is the reason it is disabled. Okay, otherwise it will work. Okay. In end of the day, live connection means we need not go for any scheduling of the refresh. The moment you click on the run, it will come to the database and try to give the data to you. Database name and passwords you have to provide in our gateway. Now, next we have here add YouTube video using the tile. Before going for this one, I want to create one dashboard. First, how to create the dashboard here? I want to create one dashboard. For example, yesterday you did here one of the workbook. That workbook is called as Lab 4 workbook. You did it. So this is what the Lab 4 workbook we have it. Okay, this is the Lab 4 workbook we have it. Now, in this Lab 4 workbook, I am able to see YTD sales and units and sales report, something like this. I want to create a dashboard. I want to create by taking this piece from here and some other report I have it. From that, I want to take one view and I want to create it. To create the dashboard, here we have the one pin symbol. Pin the visual option is available, right? Even for each and every thing, we have this option called as pin the visual option is available. Suppose this particular one I want it, so I'm trying to click on here, pin this visual. The moment you click on the pin visual, it is showing you, okay, pin to dashboard. Select an existing dashboard or create new one. Where would you like to pin to? Existing dashboard, you want to go for existing one, or you want to create some new dashboard, you can go and you can create it. I'm creating the new dashboard and I'm saying as PBI. Okay, then we say second, then dashboard, something like this we are giving. Click on the pin. Now we'll get one dashboard in the My Workspaces. If you go and try to observe, okay, if you expand this, then we have the dashboards. Under this dashboard, two dashboards are there. Okay. First dashboard and second dashboard. If you click on the second dashboard, in the second dashboard, you'll see only one YTD sales. We're seeing it. This is technically called as tile. It is called as technically called as what? TILE, tile. One of the tile we added. This is coming from Lab 4 starting dot PBIX report. Now similarly, I want to go for another report. I want to go for it. For example, same Lab 4 starting I am going. Then I am trying to take a yearly trend I am going. In the yearly trend, I have some reports are available. This report I want over there. Here also we have the pin. Select the pin. Then new dashboard and existing dashboard is asking. Go for the existing dashboard, PBA second dashboard, click on the pin. Then it will be added to over there. Similarly, I want this also, I want to pin it. Select this one, then say as pin, then this will be added. So if you go to now dashboards, whatever we have it, PBA second dashboard, how many pins are available here? This is the one pin, second pin, and third pin. 3 pins are available, right? So you can go and you can add these things from other reports also. You can take it. For example, we have here something which is known as my first report. I have it. My first report. I have it. I don't have any content here. My second report.
How many dashboards we can create it that pin report?
N number. Suppose now I am going for department number and I am going for salary. This is what we have it. This one also I want to pin this visual. I want to pin it. Pin a visual, enter a name for your report. Okay. I'm trying to save this one. Then I'm trying to save this one. I'm trying to give the name as, okay, third report. I'm giving some name. Then I am saying as save. So we taken one table. From the table we developed something. Then report is saved. This one I am trying to pin this one to this existing dashboard. So now if you go and try to see my workspaces and we see the second dashboard what we have. Here my second dashboard we have it. Go to the PBI second dashboard. You see in the bottom we are seeing now 10th department. What is the total amount? 20th department, 30th department we are seeing it. There is no limitations in the number of tiles here. You can go and you can add number of tiles from any number of reports you can add it. And from n number of reports you can go and you can add the n number of tiles you can add it. One of the report may be developed using SQL Server, other report may be developed using MS Access, other report may be developed using Oracle. Doesn't matter from wherever it is developed, doesn't matter. That one we can go and we can pin here. Got it? Okay. Now, apart from those things, you want to add here some extra information. Here we have something called as add the tile option is available. I am trying to click on here add tile option. Then we can add here media, web content, image, text box, video. First, I would like to go for video. I would text box. I would like to go simple one. It is. I am selecting the text box. Click on the next. Then it is asking details. Display the title and subtitle, and then provide your content, whatever content you want to write it. Okay. Now we are saying as welcome to dashboards. Dashboards. We can add tiles from different reports. From different reports, whatever we developed it, from there we can add the tiles, we can add it. Apart from reports, that is PBX files, apart from reports, we also can add web content, YouTube, video, or image. These are all things you can go and you can add it. Okay, I am a text box. At this point of time, I am a text box. Whatever you want, you can go and you can write it. Then if you want to do the bold or anything, you can do it. Suppose you're saying as apply. Now you can notice the bottom we got here some kind of tile. These tiles are very flexible. If you want to move this tile, suppose this tile I want to move something like this, I can move it. Okay, this tile I want to move something like this, I can go and I can move it. Okay, this tile I want to move to the next one, I can go and I can move it. Very simply, we can move the positions accordingly, you can move it. Got my point? Now you want to make this as a something here. Third also you want to make it. Three reports you want it. You can go and you can make three reports or four reports, whatever you want it. Basically, you can go and you can maintain it. This is what the tiles you can maintain. How much big dashboard you want it, you can go and you can maintain accordingly, you can maintain. Okay, you can play around it. Now I want to add one more tile also. Let me go for add the tile. This time I'm going for some image, I want to add it. Select the image, click on the next. Then it is asking title and subtitle and content URL it is asking. The URL I am trying to take from the notes. I do have the URL. This is YouTube URL. It looks like it is the image URL. Okay, here I have the image URL. Let me take this image URL. Copy. Then I am trying to paste here. So then click on here apply. Now you can notice in the bottom we got some kind of URL corresponding image, whatever we have it, that image I am able to see it. So this is called as text box style. This is called as image style. And these all four things are coming from different reports we have. From different reports we got it. Am I clear? Now similarly, I want to add here one more tile. I want to add it. There we have here, for example, video content. I want to add it. Click on the next. Then it's asking here what is a video URL. YouTube video URL or Vimeo. We can go and we can add it. For example, we are trying to take here. I do have some YouTube video URL. This is what some YouTube video URL I have it. Let me copy this. Then I am trying to paste here. So we are trying to go for video URL. Let me paste over there. Click on apply. Now you can see in the bottom we got here some YouTube video URL. We got it. Okay, something like that. Keep on, you can add here some tiles, you can add it. If I want to add some web content, I can add here some web content also, I can add it. For example, web content purpose also, I have here some URL, I have it. Let me take this URL. So this piece as it is, I'm copying it. Then I'm trying to paste over here. Let me add it. Content, embedded code, we're adding it. Click on apply. Now you can see some kind of content will be added. Where is that? My workspace, then dashboards, and second dashboard. Now, okay, this is what that also looks like some video content, but it's okay. We are able to put it, that image, we are able to put it here. Got my point? So these all are called as now tiles. These all tiles are available in the dashboard. Okay, now that's what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, how to add image, how to add YouTube, how to add explain dashboard themes. Then finally we do have the apps. We'll try to discuss apps later, but time being, now let's try to explore rest of the options what we have in this dashboard. Suppose I have here and I have here sales is available. You have some other question is available. Then you can go and you can ask your questions, you can ask here. Year wise, okay, then I am trying to say as, okay, year wise, then sales, we are writing it. Year wise, let us say total sales I wanted. Then we can notice here 5.13 billion is calculated. This is a working based on the NLP, natural language process. Natural language process. The moment you are typing, system is understanding automatically what I mean to write here. What I mean to write here is understanding, and it's trying to provide corresponding data. The moment I written over the year, you're able to observe here is displaying. Okay, here, then we say as product. Okay, year wise and product wise. Okay, then we want to go for, let us say, sales you want to go. So let us say year wise, product wise, total sales. Then we are seeing year wise, product wise, total sales automatically is developing. This is called as Q&A section. User can go and can type whatever you want it, ask a question about your data, it is able to get it. And also some suggestions also available. Try one of these to get started. If you say total sales means I am able to see the total sales or whatever it is basically. This is working based on the natural language process. NLP is one concept. We have it based on the NLP concept. They designed this one. Got it? Okay. Now let us go and try to move back. I think yesterday I explained about export, then sharing, then subscribe. Yeah, subscribe is something we need to know about it. If I click on here subscribe button, then subscribe to emails. You cannot subscribe others because this artifact has row level security on the data set, blah blah. Add new subscription. If you click on here, add new subscription, then provide here subject, then go for frequencies, what daily you want to monitor or what, something like that. Because of this one, what is the benefit is something changes are happened here, then that will be notified to you. Business has option to subscribe for our dashboard. Next we have here comments. Some comments you want to provide it about this dashboard, you can provide it. For example, now we are trying to say as got it, then you go and try to add here. Okay, let us say looks like last tile is not needed, something like that. I given some comment. Who given this comment, when that is given, those all things are displaying here. Developer can take this one and he can do necessary things, then he can reply here itself, okay, done, tile deleted, let us say. Like that, he can go and he can maintain the total history here itself, he can maintain it. There is no need of writing separate mails to correct something, or some observation is available, you want to notify someone. Everything you can maintain here, so that the track will be maintained here itself. Are you getting my point? Generally, if you write about some report, some bug in the mail, you are writing it. After a few days, we don't know where that mail is available, right? That's the reason they provide here comments option they provided. Now share to the teams. This is a purely new option. Microsoft come up with Teams option actually. I think we are using Open 365. We are using. Then this option might be you are aware of it. If you want to, if we create a entire all our team using some teams we created. If you want to share to the teams, you can do that one. Okay, my account has no option to do this one. That's what it's saying as not available. But generally, once teams are configured, if you click on that, all teams you can go and you can map it. Now, next we have here favorites. Okay, this is normal favorites only. If you click on this favorite, that will be added to this favorites. It will be added. And tomorrow, whenever you logged in, your all favorite reports you can access using favorites. You can access it. I'm trying to click on your favorites, for example. I clicked on the favorites. Once you clicked on the favorites, if you go to this favorites option, notice here PBI second dashboard is available under the favorites. It's available. Tomorrow, quickly I can go and I can access this report. If I click on this PBI second dashboard, I'm able to see this one. Now let us go and try to see next one. Add tile we know already. Then we know save a copy option also, we are aware of it. Set as featured. Yeah, set as featured is different from favorites. In case of, for example, let me click on this as set as featured. Then please confirm that you want to set PBI second dashboard as your featured dashboard. If you click on the set as featured dashboard, this will be opened by default whenever I logged in. Let us say I am trying to sign out. Then I am trying to sign in. Let me go for here app.powerbi.com. Then we are trying to sign in. Then you can notice here, let us go and try to provide RR capital, ITEC small 1, 2, 3. Then sign in. Right. The moment I logged in here, you can notice the moment I logged in, you can notice whatever I added into the featured dashboard, featured I added, that will be coming as default should come. So it is opening, looks like. So if you want to maintain something as a default dashboard you want to maintain, then you can go on, you can maintain very easily, you can maintain as it has some kind of reports and all, right? That's what it's taking some time, it is taking. Let it go. Okay, did you understand, right? That is a feature is nothing but by default will come. It will take some time. Let me go to the my workspace. Then I'm going for reports. Okay, PBI second dashboard I'm trying to open. You can notice previously also this kind of number only you are only trying to open. Okay, now I understand now what you mean by add tile, save a copy. Okay, disable feature. If you want to disable on this one, you can do that one, so that whenever you opening quickly, it will be opening home dashboard means. Then view related. Okay, for this we have any related things are available. We can go on. We can see the view related. If you see the view related content for this lab for starting. Okay, then we have a third report, and what is the data set corresponding to this one. Test is the data set which is available. Something related to this, what are the things are available, it is going to show you. Okay, looks like this dashboard you developed using lab4 starting only, right? And also you developed using some third report only developed, right? For this we use data sets, these are the data sets. So it's showing the data sets and corresponding reports, it is showing it. Now let us try to see the next option, usage metrics. Okay, who are the people are using this one? Okay, those are all information we can get it, usage metrics. So see here, dashboard usage metrics, views per day and unique views per day, shares per day, views by user, and some kind of reports we have it. Here I am the only user, that's the reason it may not make much sense. Tomorrow, once you develop your dashboard, you publish it to a Power BI service. Some point of time, you may want to understand how many users are using really my dashboard. Who are those users? How much time they are using it? That all statistics are required for understanding the quality of the report what you developed it. Am I clear? Okay. Now let us move on to the next one. Then again, I'm going to the PBI second dashboard. We are clear about this option also. Then performance inspector, which is nothing but how quickly it is running, how much time it is taking to get it. 311 milliseconds it is taking, something like that. This is considered as acceptable. If you have any problems, it is going to show you the performance issues also, it is going to show it, and relevant solution also it is going to propose it. If some of the users are going to access the mobile, then we need to make sure how it looks like in the mobile view. Okay, so in the mobile means this is how it looks like. PBI second dashboard, and this is one report, and this is one report, this is one report, like that. It will be looking like this. So we can make sure it is working properly or not. We can make sure it basically. Got it? Now we do have here option called as, let's say, refresh. If you want to refresh now itself, you can refresh it. Dashboard theme, if you want to use this some kind of themes for this dashboard. Let us say I have here light, dark, color blind, friendly, custom. Suppose I want here dark, I want it. Then I can go and I can see backend all is happened as dark, it's happened. Okay, something like that. You can go and you can create it. Okay, so based on your look freshness, you can go and you can use this dashboard themes, you can use it. Okay, let us say custom. In the custom, I can go and I can provide here whatever color you want, background, tile background, the font background, like that. Okay, we have, and all the possible colors are available. So you can go and you can save it. Now we selected yellow, then these all are tiles as black, something like that. Okay, I think we are clear about all the options, whatever available in the dashboard, we are clear about. Now, finally, we do have the settings. Here you can change the owner and dashboard name and whatever other things you want, you can go and you can change it. So this is how we are going to create a dashboard with different tiles. Will you try about how to create the dashboard today? Is it clear? All the options of the dashboard?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Please practice this one. Then we'll meet in the next class and learn about it. Thank you.